my family and friends. Welcome to Melda 242. Today, I'm just sharing with you this recipe because I am so tired of cooking and eating rice or pasta. We have baked chicken breasts with gemstone potatoes and carrots, collard greens and cabbage. Of course, everything will be listed for you in the description box below. And if you're here for the first time, please subscribe. And if you have already done so, welcome to the family. My name is Melda. I love you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.